Hello everyone. Today's my topic is acetone oxime or acetoxime. First we will see what are oximes. Oximes are a class of organic compounds having the general formula R, R-CNOH, where R and R- is an organic side chain and CNOH represent respectively carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. And this class of organic compound is said to be a ketoxime. As the general structure is represented here below. Now next slide we will see what are acetone oximes. Acetone oxime or acetoxime is the organic compound. This is not a class, it's an organic compound with the formula given. And it is simplest example of ketoxime. And other name of this compound is acetooxime, true-propanone oxime, and hydroxypropane 2-imine. Where imine is chemical compound containing CN double bond, as you can see in the figure. Now next we will see the preparation of acetone oxime. Acetone oxime is synthesized by the condensation of acetone and hydroxylamine in the presence of acid to form acetone oxime by reducing the water. This can also be generated by oxidation of acetone in the presence of hydrogen peroxide. Now the one point arises here: what is the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation is an industrial process for the production of nitriles using ammonia and oxygen. Now next we will see the mechanism of acetone oxime. Mainly there are two type of mechanisms through which we can prepare acetone oxime. The first one is mechanism through imine. And in this, acetone is reacted with ammonia in the presence of titanium silicate. Now what is a titanium silicate? It is a catalyst. Okay. Titanium silicate, what it is a catalyst? What is the use of this catalyst? Titanium silicate catalyzes the conversion of acetone into oxime in the presence of ammonia and hydrogen peroxide. Okay. By reacting, then the imine intermediate is formed, which is absorbed on the catalyst surface, which further react with hydrogen peroxide over titanium silicate 1 to form acetone oxime. This is one of the mechanism you can see. Now the second mechanism is mechanism of acetone oxime through hydroxylamine. In this, ammonia is oxidized. Ammonia is oxidized by the hydrogen peroxide over titanium silicate catalyst to form an hydroxylamine intermediate, which further react with that means the hydroxylamine intermediate will further react with acetone to form acetone oxime. The mechanism is given, you can see. Now there is one also last point was there. Acetone oxime can form even if there is no direct contact between acetone and TS1 catalyst, that is titanium silicate catalyst, in the in the first mechanism that we see earlier, okay, through imine. And this is because this is experimentally proved. That's why. That's all. Thank you.